Which is the largest country in the world? Answer: Russia. Which country has the largest population in the world? Answer: China. What are the names of the 5 oceans? Answer: Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Arctic and Southern Ocean. Which is the most populous city in United Kingdom, which is also its capital city? Answer: London. Which river forms a part of the boundary between Mexico and the United States? Answer: Rio Grande. Which country is also known as the Netherlands? Answer: Holland. How many states of India share its border with Bhutan? Answer: 4. Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, West Bengal, Sikkim. What is the capital city of India? Answer: New Delhi. In which country would you find the Leaning Tower of Pisa? Answer: Italy. Which are the 7 continents in the world from the largest in area to smallest? Answer: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, Australia. Which planet nearest to the Earth? Answer: Venus. Which is colder, the North Pole or the South Pole? Answer: the South Pole. What is the name of the biggest ocean on Earth? Answer: the Pacific Ocean. Which is the country with the most number of capital cities? Answer: South Africa. 3. Cape Town, Pretoria, Bloemfontein. In which American city is the Golden Gate Bridge located? Answer: San Francisco. The United States consists of how many states? Answer: 50. Which is the largest waterfall in the world? Answer: Victoria Falls. Which is the biggest desert in the world? Answer: Sahara Desert. Which is the hottest continent on Earth? Answer: Africa. Which is the highest mountain in the world? Answer: Mount Everest. Which is the coldest place on Earth? Answer: Antarctica. In which part of the river does the water flows the fastest? Answer: Upper course. What is the capital city of Spain? Answer: Madrid. Which continent is known as Dark Continent? Answer: Africa. In which country would you find Mount Kilimanjaro? Answer: Tanzania. Which is the largest lake in the world? Answer Caspian Sea. What are horizontal and vertical imaginary lines around the earth called? Answer latitudes and longitudes. Ceylon is the former name of which country? Answer Sri Lanka. Which is the world's biggest port? Answer Port of Shanghai. Which country is the leading egg producer in the world? Answer China. What is the capital city of Canada? Answer Ottawa. Which is the largest US state in terms of population? Answer California. Which is the largest Indian state in terms of population? Answer Uttar Pradesh. What is the official language of Brazil? Answer Portuguese. Which is the only country with a coastline on both the Red Sea and the Persian Gulf? Answer Saudi Arabia. What is the capital of Thailand? Answer Bangkok. What is the smallest country in Asia by population? Answer Maldives. At which height does a hill become a mountain? Answer 600 meters. What do you call smaller rivers that flow into another river? Answer tributaries. Which continent is Britain part of? Answer Europe. Lies to the northwest of mainland Europe. Which climate can reach 40 degrees Celsius during the day and 0 degrees Celsius at night? Answer Arid desert. Which two continents does Russia belong to? Answer Europe and Asia. What are the key factors that determine the climate of an area? Answer latitude, altitude, rainfall. Which country was once known as Rhodesia? Answer Zimbabwe. What do you call a chain of mountains? Answer a range. What is the currency used in Britain? Answer pound sterling. Which is the smallest country in the world? Answer Vatican City. Which country is called the land of rising sun? Answer Japan. Which European country shares its border with the most neighbors? Answer Germany. 9. What is the official currency of Vietnam? Answer Vietnam is Dong. What is the capital city of China? Answer Beijing. What is the official language of Australia? Answer English. Which is the country with least population? Answer Vatican City. In which country do you find the Yellow River, also known as Wang Yi? Answer: China. Which city is also known as the Eternal City? Answer: Rome. Which South American country has land borders with 10 other countries? Answer: Brazil. How many countries are there in the world today? Answer: 195 countries. Which device measures the speed of wind? Answer: anemometer. Which ocean lies between Europe and America? Answer: Atlantic Ocean. Which country is the second biggest in the world? Answer: Canada. What is the currency used in Japan? Answer: Japanese yen. Which is the longest river in the world? Answer: Nile. Which European country has a capital city called Bucharest? Answer: Romania. Which is the largest volcano in the world? Answer: the Mount Love. Where is the biggest railway station in the world? Answer: New York City, Grand Central Terminal. Which is the only country through which both the equator and the Tropic of Capricorn pass? Answer: Brazil. How many countries border with Germany? Answer: 9. Denmark, Poland, Czech Republic, Switzerland, Austria, France, Belgium, Luxembourg, and the Netherlands. In which continent was the longest river, the Nile? Answer: Africa. Which European country is closest to the continent of Africa? Answer: Spain. What is the capital city of Germany? Answer: Berlin. Which is the tallest building in the world? Answer: Burj Khalifa in Dubai, 828 meter, 2715 feet. Mount Everest lies in which mountain range? Answer: the Himalayas. Which is the country with the most number of islands? Answer: Sweden, 221,800 islands. Which is the biggest country in Africa continent? Answer: Algeria. Which is the second most populated country in the world? Answer: India. What is the national currency of Malaysia? Answer: Malaysian ringgit. Addis Ababa is the capital city of which African country? Answer: Ethiopia. What is the currency used in Singapore? Answer Singapore dollar. 7 African countries begin with the letter M. Can you find the name of all 7 countries? Answer Madagascar, Malawi, Mali, Mauritius, Morocco, Mozambique. Which ocean lies between Africa, Australia and South Asia? Answer Indian Ocean. Which country is the second largest in terms of surface area? Answer Canada. In which country is the holy city of Mecca and Medina located? Answer Saudi Arabia. Which is the country with most number of borders? Answer China, 14 countries. India, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Tajikistan, Kyrgyzstan, Kazakhstan, Mongolia, Russia, North Korea, Vietnam, Laos, Myanmar, Bhutan and Nepal. Where is the world's longest sea crossing? Answer Hong Kong to Macau, China, 55 km. Which is the world's longest country from north to south? Answer Chile. Which are the countries that share open borders? Answer New Zealand and Australia. In which country does the river Nile meet the sea? Answer Egypt. Which is the longest river in Asia? Answer River Yangtze. What is the capital city of Malaysia? Answer Kuala Lumpur. Which are the only 2 countries to have the land border with the US? Answer Canada and Mexico. Which major ocean surround the continent of Africa? Answer the Indian Ocean and the South Atlantic Ocean. What is Earth's approximate water versus land coverage ratio? Answer 71 to 21%. Which is the longest river in Europe? Answer Volga. Which is the happiest place on earth to live? Answer Finland. Which day is celebrated as World Earth Day? Answer April 22. Which rainforest makes up around half of the world's remaining rainforest? Answer the Amazon rainforest. What do you call a study of weather? Answer meteorology. Which city in United States has the nickname the Big Apple? Answer New York City. Which river rises in Peru has no bridge crossing it and enters the sea in Brazil? Answer the Amazon. Which countries share the longest border in the world? Answer USA and Canada. दोस्तों अगर यह वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक करें और हाँ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल भी मत भूलना और अपने दोस्तों में शेयर भी तो करना। देखते हैं उन्हें कितना इस क्वेश्चन के आंसर पता थे। तो चलिए मिलता हूँ अगली वीडियो में, जब तक के लिए थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।